Understand the concept of the face value and the place value. Place value chart I have explained it to you. When we are talking about the face value is the number, the same value of the number holds. Like for example, if I say 6, it is 6. Whether it comes in any digit. For example, if the number is given 6,947. 6,947. What is the face value of 6? The 6 has the same face value. 6, whether it is kept on a thousands place, which is it is not a place value. Okay, it's not a place value, it's just a face value of 6. Face will never change, all right, will be same. And the place value of a digit is based on the place or the position occupies in the number. The face value of a digit is the digit itself, irrespective of the place it occupies in the number. This is the definition given in your textbook. But if you have understand these concepts, questions will come in an exam, maybe in a terms of a filler, assertion based questions, maybe it comes in true false and matching. Basic question can come, 1 mark questions. Okay, and then we have to understand the concept of writing the number in expanded and standard form. Expanded form, when we are writing, it's according to its place value, and standard form when you are combining all together and say like the number. There is many examples written in your textbook, you can go through with that and the concept will be clear. Now in chapter 1 we have one more thing, that is comparing and ordering of the numbers. Comparison and ordering of the numbers is like, first of all you should know about predecessor and the successor. Predecessor and successor. Predecessor of a number is the number that comes just before the given number. Just before the given number is the number is called the predecessor, and just after the given number is given, that is called the successor of the number. So usually I used to tell to the student, whenever it is asked to you to find out the successor, we add +1. Okay, you just +1 you add it, you will get the successor of the number, given number. And when we are talking about the predecessor, we just subtract it, we do -1 and we can get it the predecessor of the number. So comparing of two numbers depending upon their place values, number of the digits, and comparison will be done on the basis of their place values. So easily ordering of a number will be easy to you, or if there is just a comparison between the numbers, I have given one basic question from page number 14 that you have practiced today, mental maths question, page number 14. There was a question given as to compare between two numbers, which number is greater and which number is smaller, or both are equal.